I think ultimately it's really about being authentic. Because if you're not authentic, people will pick up on that. And if there's one thing Southerners are good at, it's picking up on people that aren't being authentic. Like, we're really good at that. So I think you have to at least start with that as a foundation for, yeah.
I love that you say that.
Yeah.
We've done a lot of these interviews, and many people share that exactly the same sentiment.
Yeah.
That if you cannot be authentic, what are you doing?
Yeah.
It doesn't fit the brand, it doesn't fit the world around us. There's a lot of fake stuff out there, and it's hard to believe what we're even being presented anymore. So being authentic to yourself about the work that you're doing, and authentic with the brands you're working with, and of course having them to be authentic and kind of seeing that through, I think it's really important for marketers.